trial where you need to be identified. You'll be ordered to remove your mask again then. Your attorney should have told you that. You can have a seat out there and wait until it's time for us to call you in for jury selection. Mr. Raleigh, you need to talk to your client.
Let's roll, nerds.
I can't see your face. Your head, take it off.
I've already made it.
State of Michigan versus Portia Savage, 25-02183. Appearance, please.
Jeffrey Billabay on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Jacob Raleigh on behalf of Ms. Savage. He's entering the courtroom now.
But am I having an out-of-body experience, Mr. Raleigh? Have you met with your client today?
I have, Your Honor.
Have you talked to your client about how to appear appropriately in court?
Your Honor, she didn't say health concerns.
What has that got to do with a hoodie and a hat on her head? In the middle of my courtroom. Are your witnesses here?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're having a trial today, correct?
We have pitched an offer, so we were just waiting to hear.
We don't do offers on the day of trial in my courtroom. That's been my policy, and the attorneys here and my staff are very much aware. We had a final pretrial on the 22nd of September, to which your office represented that the victim was here.
Correct, Your Honor.
And so if there was no offer extended at that time, the time to negotiate is now over. Today is the date and time set for trial. Are we running a trial or no? Or is she pleading to the charge?
She's, I would leave that to defense.
She's not pleading to the charge, Your Honor.
Okay, you can call on the jury.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I don't have jury instructions. They were supposed to be to us by Friday, 3 p.m.
That is correct, Your Honor. I couldn't reach the victim. I tried to contact her on Friday. She did not pick up the phone. I left a message. So we showed up today thinking she wasn't going to be able to show up simply because I couldn't consult her or give her any offers prior to this date, Your Honor.
You had a final pretrial. You
Correct.
said that the victim appeared.
Yes, at the final pretrial, the victim did appear, Your Honor.
Well, what has that got to do with my jury instructions that were supposed to be to me by Friday?
I apologize, Your Honor.
Where's your jury instructions, Mr. Raleigh?
I have them prepared. I can forward them to the court, Your Honor.
I need them within the next 20 minutes.
Yes, Your Honor.
And I don't know when you're going to do it because we're running the rest of this docket right now.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your client can go figure out how she can be appropriately. You need to take your hood and your hat off now. You can't dress like that in court. Ma'am. I'm sorry? I can't even identify who this person is. Her entire face is covered, Mr. Raleigh.
Yes, Your Honor.
Take your hood and hat off so I can identify you. And whatever's on your head, take it off.
I've already made it.
You have one choice: to do what I say, or you be held in contempt. You still have things on your head. I can't even see your face.
Ma'am, I would like to protect my.
You can remand her into custody.
That's the only reason why I'm asking you. I've already made it clear on multiple accounts that I have vaginal problems, and I'm also health concerned because.
What does that got to do with? I have to be able to see your face. What does that have to do with that? I can't see your face. I'm not going to go back and forth. I'm not going to negotiate. There's rules and there's policies. If you can't follow them, you'll be held in contempt and you'll be remanded into custody. You can remove the items or you can be remanded into custody. It's your choice.
How long are we discussing?
Until I can have the contempt hearing. Because you're not going to sit in a trial like that either.
But I don't want to take my mask off in front of other people.
Take your hat. Whatever's on your head needs to come off. You don't wear do-rags in court. Take it off your head now. Remove your face mask so I can identify you. I need to see your entire face. I can't see your face.
Ma'am,
I can take her into custody. I don't have time for this. You'll have a bigger issue sitting down in jail.
how long am I?
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Taking the mask off.
Oh, no, you didn't. No, you didn't. I cannot see your face. And I'm not gonna go back and forth. Thank you. You remove it down lower so that I can identify you. When I said I've identified you, then I will allow you to put your mask back on. Not only that, you look at me when I'm talking. There's going to be a portion during this trial where you need to be identified. You'll be ordered to remove your mask again then. Your attorney should have told you that. You can have a seat out there and wait until it's time for us to call you in for jury selection. Mr. Raleigh, you need to talk to your client because my patience is very short already with her.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand?
I understand.
Okay. On the record, in the matter of the people of the state of, on the record, on the matter.
A few minutes later.
Tim here.
Defender Lauren Sutter on behalf of Mr. Green. Your Honor, I was advised this morning that Mr. Green was not brought from Isabella County. He was written for a different day.
Your Honor, I do have the victim
Whose
here.
phone is ringing? And guess what I have to do in the middle of this? I got to now explain to our administration why we weren't notified on Friday that we needed a jury, because we have a policy here that you were advised of before you left this courtroom on Friday.
Yes, Your Honor. I apologize, Your Honor.
Ms. Sutter, where's your client?
He's in Isabella County. My understanding is he was written for a different court date on November 17th and not this one. I'm acknowledging from the state that the complaining witness appears to have appeared in this case. I'd be asking for the final pretrial to be reset to coincide for that November 17th date. And I would stipulate to the witnesses on this case not being recalled for that.
That is correct, Your Honor. I do have the victim here. I talked to him on Friday and he's here today, Your Honor.
There's another court date for this defendant?
It's on another case.
Yeah, there's another SM file with a final pretrial on November 17th.
That's all, folks.